What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over last week Tuesday's day trading recap. You're not going to want to miss it. It was a real nice take profit. Check it out. What's going on, guys? We're going to go ahead and jump into this recap here. It's one simple trade, one very simple trade, and it worked out great. Honestly, it worked out perfect. So we're going to go over that. The only thing I think I regretted about this trade was I traded the option itself versus the stock. But now that I look back to it, it was fine either way. It was fine either way, just because of the way the trade turned out. Okay, but that's the good thing about being a diverse trader. Okay, you know, if you don't want to trade the stock because it's, you know, $73 and you don't have not even, you know, $8,000 in your account where you can buy 100 shares of this stock, you know, you could jump into the options and boom, you can nail it. Now, I could have bought, you know, a few hundred shares of this, no problem at all, and traded it, and I almost did, but I switched over to the options just because I thought I was going to get a little bit more like bang for my buck on it, I think, had the trade worked itself out. But now that I think of it, I think it might have been the same outcome, give or take, regardless, unless I maybe held on to the options a little bit longer. I don't know. Regardless, for on Monday, you know, I traded NKLA. I traded the actual stock itself, and I traded 200 shares of it, made $1,500. And then on this trade here, I traded just one contract on it. Okay, and it was a nice take profit. It was just almost $300. Now we're gonna go over that and why I jumped into it. Now I'm trying to see here about getting, I guess this is the only screenshot I have of it. I have my orders and I have my P&L. We're gonna go over all of that. Now, NKLA the day before, you know, was a complete monster. As you see here, it went up to 90, like $93. It was just insane. Then, you know, we opened up in that level and we just dumped it. We dumped it all the way down here. Like, this thing was just mean. Like, this right here is June 9th, the very next day. And look at that, all the way down here to 56. I mean, it makes you want to be like, oh, I should have just bought, you know, a couple hundred shares down there. Boom. It would have been a monster win. But I don't know. I can't remember. You know, it was Tuesday of last week. And I know the trade I took, we're going to go over that. The reason you see here, this 50 moving average and the 200, is just because this was a daily chart. And I converted it really quickly to a 3-minute chart for my trade. I was trading off of my laptop. As you know, I wasn't around on my regular platform, and I was using my laptop, and I was using the cloud version of Street Smart's Edge from Charles Schwab. So it's a little bit different, but it's still the same software, just a cloud version. And I didn't have all my regular settings there, so I had to just kind of do the settings every morning on the fly. And, you know, this is the best I could come up with. So I took a screenshot off the chart itself, and we can go over the trade there. Before we do me a quick favor, guys, smash the like button. Remember, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. When we get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway where I'm going to give away one lucky subscriber a fully funded trading account, okay? But in order to get there, I need you guys to help me. And you have been doing an amazing job, and for that I am ever thankful, because we're already up at like 7,500 subscribers, or really close to it. And we had just started the month off at 7,000. So that's, no, thank you so much. And how can you help me, you know, continue growing? Very simple. Hit the like button. You can gently tap it or smash it, whatever's your preference. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, okay? And comment in the comment section below. When you do that, all of that, it feeds like the YouTube algorithm. Believe it or not, YouTube algorithm is there looking and it's like, oh, well, people really like this channel. They watch it, they like it, they interact, they like it. You know, they hit the like button, they comment in the comment section. So let's keep suggesting it. And the more my channel gets suggested, guys, the more subs I keep getting, which is how it should work. As long as the content is good and people are liking the content. And I see a lot of people, like a huge chunk. Like, if the huge chunk that watches and hasn't subscribed would subscribe, this channel will already be like 20,000 subs. Because I see the analytics in the background. But once we do that, right, and we get to 10,000, I'm going to do a giveaway. But I need your help to get there. So also, you know, share it on social media. Share it with your trading friends on Twitter, on Stock Twitch. Let them know, hey, come watch Jesse. I post live trade recaps. You know, I haven't been posting these live trades here from last week because I couldn't record them on my laptop. I don't know why I couldn't. But already this week on Monday, I put up a new trade, and, you know, it was live recorded. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this NKLA here. Now I have, like I said, the chart where I took my trade. I have my orders and I have the P&L. I'm going to show you all of that. Remember to check out Webull. Okay, Webull is the free stock trading app. The link's in the description section. You download the app, you fund your account with $100, you get 2 free stocks, and also first trade is down there. You just open up an account. Okay, all you got to do is download the app, open an account, you get 1 free stock. That's 3 free stocks for doing absolutely nothing. So it's a no-brainer, guys. Jump on that, take advantage. Anytime there's something free like that, take advantage. You know, it's like credit card points. If you're not taking, advantage of your credit card points, you're doing yourself a disfavor. Unless you don't know how to control yourself with your credit card, then you got to practice self-control. And in that case, shouldn't be trading because you might not have self-control to stop out when you need it. So I jumped in NKLA here. We had this recovery, okay? We had this big pullback, okay? This big pullback from $84 all the way down here to under 72, okay? This $72 zone right here, you can see was previous resistance again, and we finally broke through it. When we finally broke through it, we had a big extension to $84. When we had that same pullback here, okay, I thought to myself, boom, this is the zone here. Let's get long right in here, and let's see if we can ride this back up to 80. Now, I don't know why my chart, actually, scratch that, guys. The actual trade is in here at 68. Resistance here, support, resistance, support. You can see the zone, the cluster zone right here, okay? What happened here is we broke right above 68. We pulled in for a minute, okay? We pulled in. Hold on, guys. I'm analyzing this really well. Scratch that as well, guys. I'm so sorry about this. This is last week, Tuesday's trade, which is June the 9th. It was actually right here, right out of this halt. There it is. Right out of this halt here, okay, this 68 zone starts to kind of like hold. I get in right there at 68, okay, and we got a quick pop right to 73, okay. This is why I was thinking to myself, I probably should have traded the stock itself. My plan was very easy. I thought we'd get some big candles right back up to 80. It could happen. It should have happened. It does happen. It does happen over here. So right in this candle right here, we hold the 64 zone and we pop right back up over 68. Right there, boom, I get 1 call contract and I write it back up here and I get rid of it when we just can't break. See, like we just can't go. And right in this candle, right in this one right here, I sell out of it. And I was glad I sold out of it because it immediately dumped and made a new low. But then it did what I wanted. See, it went all the way back up to 80. Had it done that here, it would have been a monster trade. It would have been another probably $1,000 a day. And here, I'm going to grab the actual, what is this? The actual orders. Will they open? Here they go. So here you go. I'm in 1 NKLA 6/12 expiration, which is Friday's expiration of last week. $90 call, in out, $6.55, just one. And I sold that one at $9.50, $3. That's $30. I missed it by 5 cents. $300 right there. I'll show you the P&L. Boom, $293.68. Pulled out $2.94. A share. One contract has 100 shares in it, so boom, $293. Real nice. The day before I made $1,500 on it. If you haven't seen that trade, make sure to check it out because I went over that one. And that was a monster trade on just 200 shares. So added this the very next day. Really happy about that. And like I said, it was right in here. Boom. We regained that $68 zone and took profits on this candle when we couldn't continue breaking out of it. But that was it, guys. It was a quick in and out trade. I wish it would have done that move in here where I expected it. Would have been a monster. Quick in and out, $300. Can't complain about that at all. I also traded on Wednesday. However, I didn't take screenshots. I did post my P&L on Twitter, so if you want to try to dig that up, it's down there in my Twitters. Yeah, in my Twitter. The link is in the description. You can just go through my Twitter and just maybe you can find it. This was Tuesday's trade. On Wednesday, I made like another $300 and some odd dollars. And then on Thursday, I actually did take a trade in the morning, lost $240. Then Friday, no trade. But as far as screenshots go, this is all I had for just Monday and Tuesday. I did post my P&Ls, so you can check those out in my social media. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Also, remember to comment, like I said, like, and hit the notification bell. I got more day trading videos coming up. Not just my recaps. I post these daily. Not just my recaps, but I got more trading videos where I post like other trading educational videos, like certain setups, you know, like my thought process on pullbacks, you know, just basically anything trading wise and anything just making money on your own terms. I'm gonna make a video. I've been telling you for months, but I'm trying to finish the property. I'm gonna finish, you know, once I finish the investment property, I'm gonna do a full video from start to finish on that house and my plans for it moving forward. It's gonna be a rental, but it's gonna be a rental that I can actually use because it's almost kind of like a duplex. So it's great because boom, put my boat on the dock and I can go fishing whenever I want. It's a no-brainer, guys. It was a great deal. And we're gonna do a video on that as well. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload that video. Hope you're having a great day and I'll catch you on the next one.